Hello everybody, Jeffrey McAvoy here. Welcome back. Thank you for being so patient in between uploads. I know that I haven't uploaded anything in a while, and sorry for that, but that's life for you guys. So, welcome back. As I was saying, this is something a little different. It's a little 4-stroke glow engine of a radio-controlled plane, which has completely seized and was given to me by one of my faithful customers. So thank you, big shout out to him for that. It's a bit of a challenge, so challenge accepted. You know, this thing is completely seized and has been lying around in his basement for way too long. He just gave it to me, so thank you very much for that. So the idea is to take it completely apart, unseize it, and renew the parts that need renewing. So in this first part of the video, I dismantle this little ASP engine. It's built in China, but it's quite well manufactured, I'd say. As with any engine, the cylinder head bolts, which you want to untighten in a crisscross pattern to relieve the tension in a controlled manner, so you avoid warping or cracking of the part. Obviously this one's very small, but still it's a way of doing things. Anyway, this as I was saying, this engine is manufactured in China. It's an 11cc 4-stroke engine, and it's quite decently manufactured. The castings are of good quality, and it's just generally well built. As you can see, it's completely seized, and as the tappets are out, the valves are sticking, so it's completely gummed up pretty much. No idea as to how this happened, but possibly because of lack of lubrication or something like that. Anyway, the idea is to get everything free, clean everything in the ultrasonic bath as I usually do, and rebuild it. So this was great fun to do, and once I did finish the rebuild, which we'll see in the second part of the video, got back in touch with my customer, and we started it together for the first start. It was good fun. So these are the little valves, which are decently made as well, you know, hardened metal. Measuring everything as a matter of course, as I usually do, and got this little globe plug. Now I know that you can find a CDI kit to convert this engine for it to run on regular petrol, and I do believe that I'm going to try this experience, and I'm going to invest in that device, because, you know, with the glow fuel you need the glow plug and starters and so on and so forth, and it's a bit of a hassle. I'd just like to be able to, you know, give it some petrol, turn the ignition on, give it a whir, and be off. I think that would be good fun. So stay tuned for that. In any case, if you own an ASP engine and need a rebuild, this video will definitely appeal to you as well. And as you can see, on removing the crankcase cover, we can see the inner bearing and the crankshaft, and that everything is definitely seized up. Now at this scale, a good liberal squirt of WD-40 usually does the trick. So that's pretty much what I did. You know, grabbed a cold one and waited for the WD-40 to do its stuff. So there it is. Thank you so very much for watching. I'll be catching you all in the next video, where I successfully dismantle the entirety of this engine and proceed to the rebuild. So thanks again for your patience. Thank you so very much for watching. Thank you for dropping likes and leaving comments. I do appreciate it. And I'll be catching you all in the next video.